Hello, I'm Harold the donkey. We will show a show. Yay! Dooby-dooby-doo. Do you mean a show? No. No, where's my person? No, forget it. Yeah, because the toilet thing show. That's too big. No, I don't care. Okay, I'm just going to use this one, okay? Okay. Come on, where else? Okay. Hello, do you need the toilet? Oh, you're doing a pee-pee dance. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. I know. Yes, you are. Okay, I need to go to the toilet. Okay. Now you need to get out of the I'm gonna sit on the toilet. I'm gonna sit on the toilet. Ah, destroy everything! Ah! George! No, yes, no, do that. Okay, let's do this. So it's easier. So you're gonna do that. Hello. So, what are you doing today? I don't know. Not much. Yeah. Not much. Oh no! I disappeared. Yay! I can disappear. Where are you going? I'm here. What? You just disappeared. Ah! I can do that. Oh wait. You're just down there, aren't you? Yeah. Dooby-dooby-doo-doo. Hey, my guys, what are you doing? Ah! My friend. I'm gonna do that when you're ready. I just pushed them up. Listen. Hey, you babies. What's up? I am still thirsty, House. I'm thirsty too. He's gonna get a drink. Yeah.